Potatoes browned in sugar. A side dish from Iceland. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Select new potatoes, preferably small in size. Step 2. If large, they should be cut into even pieces, boil and peel. Step 3. Brown the butter over low heat in a preheated saucepan. Add the sugar. Step 4. When the mixture becomes frothy, add the potatoes. Step 5. Turn repeatedly until the potatoes become well coated and light brown in color. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.